The dental field has witnessed major technological advancements, which has led to an era of change in the treatment of patients. Digital dentistry, which is using digital technology to enhance dental treatments and results, is in the forefront of this change. From better diagnosis tools to new treatments, dental technology can significantly impact the experience of patients and their outcomes. One of the areas in which dental technology has had an enormous impact is the area of diagnosis. The traditional methods for diagnosing, like X-rays or CT scans, are being mostly replaced by digital imaging techniques like cone beam computed tomography, CBCT, as well as intraoral scanners. These techniques provide extremely detailed 3D pictures of the teeth and the surrounding structures, which allows for more precise diagnosis and treatment plan. It not only enhances the standard of care, but also decreases the necessity to undergo invasive procedures. Another place where digital dentistry can transform the experience of patients is the area of treatment designing and planning. With the use of CAD/CAM, computer-aided design/computer-aided manufacturing technology, dental professionals can now design and fabricate restorations such as crowns, bridges, and veneers in a fraction of the time it takes with traditional methods. It not only decreases the amount of appointments required, but also guarantees an accurate and customized fitting for the patient. Digital dentistry also has progressed significantly in orthodontics. Invisalign, which is a clear aligner that's customized using digital impressions, has changed the way that orthodontic treatments are delivered. Patients do not need to suffer the pain and discomfort of traditional braces because Invisalign provides a less noticeable and comfortable option. In addition, the digital system lets orthodontists track the progress of a patient more precisely and adjust as necessary, which results in faster and better treatment results. When it comes to dental implants, the use of digital technology have had an equally significant influence. Cone beam computed tomography, CBCT, permits exact planning and the placement of dental implants. This leads to higher rate of success and better patient results. Furthermore, the virtual software for surgical planning allows dentists to see the whole procedure prior to it being performed, which reduces the chance of complications and providing an outcome that is more reliable. Dental technology has not just enhanced the quality of dental treatment, but also changed patients' experience with regard to ease of use and convenience. Virtual consultations, for instance, and treatment plans allow patients to get treatment from within the comforts of their home, eliminating the requirement for frequent appointments to the dentist. Furthermore, modern technologies like intraoral scanners can eliminate the necessity to take messy impressions. This makes patients' experience more pleasant and effective. Digital dentistry has transformed the world of dentistry and has transformed the experience of patients with technological advances. From better diagnostics to new treatments, the digital revolution are significantly improving the standard of care as well as the outcomes of patients. With the advancement of technology and expand, the opportunities of digital dentistry are limitless and promise even more advancements for patient care in the future years to come. Across the country follow strict guidelines established in the Ministry of Health, ensuring that patients get hygiene-friendly and safe treatment. In everything from sterilization procedures for equipment to methods to control infections, Turkish clinics maintain high standards of hygiene and security in order to safeguard the health and well-being of their patients. The final conclusion is that dentistry tourism within Turkey provides a variety of advantages that make it a desirable alternative for people looking for affordable quality and top-quality dental treatment. With competitive rates and extensive options for services, to opportunities for tourism and accessibility to languages, Turkey offers a distinctive and enjoyable experiences for visitors to the dental field. Through its highly skilled dentists, advanced facilities, and a commitment to hygiene and safety, Turkey has established itself as one of the top destinations for dental tourism and has attracted people from all over the globe. If you're thinking about the possibility of having dental treatments in another country, Turkey is definitely a place worth investigating.